Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good and well. So today we're working with this gorgeous wig from Asteria hair. It is a gorgeous blonde number. The wig can be worn glueless because it has some combs and an elastic band to help with the security of it. It's bouncy and it comes pre-curled, which is amazing. It means less work for us. I'm gonna start by putting some makeup on the lace just to make sure that the lace blends with my skin color, and then I'm going to put the wig on and give it a go to see what it looks like on my head. And here is what the curls look like brushed out. I feel like this wig was actually curled pretty well and I didn't have to go over the curls or do anything with it. It literally comes styled, and all you have to do really is just cut the lace, and yeah, that's it. So that's mainly how I'm going to be showing you how I did that. But it's pretty straightforward. But yeah, so I'm just brushing through the curls to see how the hair feels. It was super soft and very bouncy. And now I'm taking some tweezers and I'm just plucking the hairline to make sure we have a really nice natural hairline to mimic a hairline of a human being and not a robot, because we don't want to walk around with a boxy hairline. We want it to look really natural. So tweezing it is going to give it this look. So once the hairline has been tweezed, it's time to start cutting off the lace. I'm going to start by cutting off the sides of the lace, and then I'm going to slowly work my way to the middle. So all you need is a super sharp pair of scissors. Cut off the sides. Before I actually go ahead to cut off the middle, I am going to layer the wig. As much as I love the curls and I love the fact that it came already curled, pre-dyed, pre-everything, I feel like layers are such a good way to frame your face, and I had to layer the wig to give me that look that I was going for, that bouncy, layered, curled look. You guys will see what I mean when I'm done, but it really does add so much of a difference to the appearance of your wig, and it just makes it look more like your actual hair. So yeah, I'm gonna layer it, and I'm doing this by literally getting a pair of scissors and cutting diagonally away from my face. And although it's sped up, I did take my time to do this. I did it slow and precisely. I didn't want to make a wrong move and cut too short or cut too much hair. So I made sure to take my time with this, and as I said, I'm just cutting away from my face in a downward motion. So now that the hair has been layered, I'm just gonna create a parting. Even though the parting is already there, I want to make it look a little more realistic, and the way I'm going to do that is I'm just going to take literally a tiny bit of hair from the parting and just pull it out, just to make the parting a little bit wider, so it doesn't look too dense. And the fact that I plucked the lace earlier will just give it that really nice natural look. So we're all layered up and we're all cut up, and now it's time to cut the lace. But I'm going to give you a little preview of what the wig looks like from the back. It is stunning. I feel like they did such a good job with the color. It's not too much of a warm blonde. It's kind of giving ashy blonde. I did actually go ahead and tone the wig after filming this video, and it did turn quite a nice ash blonde. So now it's time to cut off the lace. This is pretty straightforward. You just need a pair of scissors and a razor comb. Is it a razor comb or just a razor? And a razor. And all I did was just start with the middle and just work my way through the lace. But oh my god, my voice just cracked, my bad. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Just make sure you don't cut too much off, and yeah, just take your time with it. Don't rush anything when it comes to wigs. But yeah, and as you guys can see, this wig can definitely be worn glueless. I didn't glue anything down. I did go ahead to use adhesive just to make sure that the lace is flat and on my head, but I didn't even use a band. The wig literally stays on, which is one thing I really love about it. It's not moving, and plus that coupled with the combs means you're just gonna get a really, really good melt. So yeah. this is what we're looking like so far. You can definitely leave it like this if you would like, but you guys know I'm extra and I like to go the extra mile. So I'm taking my ebon spray and I'm just spraying that on the end of my rat tail comb, and I'm using that tiny bit of spray and just using it on the edge of the hairline, and this is just going to help the hairline or the wig stay a little bit longer. It's not really gonna, yeah, it's gonna help it stay a little bit longer and just give it that nice flat look that we're going for. So you guys can see I'm using the tiniest bit of spray, nothing too crazy, and just placing that on the lace and it disappears. I didn't even have to use a blow dryer because it's not necessary. Literally just the tiniest bit of ebon and your wig is on. Okay, so I've sprayed that ebon on the actual hair just to make sure we don't have any flyaways, because there's nothing worse than having hair sticking up on your parting. So I made sure that our hair is hairsprayed and stays in place. But look how bouncy these curls are, guys. It is gorgeous, and I love the different highlights and lowlights of the wig as well. I noticed that we had some frayed hairs in the front, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut that away. Yeah, this is pretty much it done. The hair looks gorgeous and stunning. Of course, if you would like to get your hands on this wig, make sure to check out the link in the description box. There will be a direct link there for this exact wig, and I'm going to show you the hairline up close so you can see what we're working with. What lace, honey, is giving skin, and I love that. This is the hair in all its glory. Absolutely stunning. And the curls actually last, guys. The curls lasted for about 3 days, which I was quite shocked about. But yeah, very, very, very good quality hair. Look at that bounce. Look at that bounce, bounce. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you to Asteria Hair for sponsoring this video. As I said, I'll leave the link for this wig in the description box, and I'll see you guys soon in another one. Bye guys. Mwah.